Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Julian Marley transcending musical genres on new album, As I Am. As a follow-up to his critically acclaimed Grammy-nominated album Awake, released back in 2009, reggae artist Julian Marley has released his fourth full-length album, As I Am.
As I Am is basically expressing my ideas, my feelings upon whatever it is, because we have different topics in the music. Each song is different, music is different. So As I Am is an upfront kind of album geared to pure inspiration.
He noted that while As I Am remains true to reggae roots, the album also features other musical genres.
It's reggae. We also have some dancehall. We have funk. We have a bit of funk, and we have some blues. We have different kind of feels, but roots is obviously reggae is the foundation, but you will hear some different elements, being a musician also.
Released by acclaimed label Ghetto Youths International and Zodiac Worldwide, the 17-track album features production from top-billed producers like Julian himself, his brothers Damon Marley and Stephen Marley. The Sharp as a Razor singer explained why the long wait between the albums.
We don't choose anything. I say that the music chooses when it's ready to come, because maybe we could have an album years ago, but it wouldn't have been these songs, it would have been something else, So for me, it's not really about releasing the music, it's about we are music to the bone and to the, music flow right through the body. And even still within that 10 years, we're touring every year, Europe, this, that, everywhere.
Also an accomplished businessman, Julian Marley shared details about his new product line, Juju Royale.
Well, I have a new brand, which is in the marijuana business. It's called Juju Royale, and it stems out of Colorado to California and all of the legal states, hopefully in Jamaica, because give thanks, we finally did something about it here, but still, want some more work here in Jamaica, So hopefully we can bring it here, the Juju Royale, but at the moment, we have quite a few products on the line, We have a new infused CBD olive oil where you can use on your salad and cooking if you want, CBD is almost, like something where the doctor want to give you for prescribe for you for pain and cancer and all kind of things. The CBD is a healing of the people.
In honor of their father's legacy, Julian Marley, Stephen Marley, Siggy Marley, Damon Marley, and Kimani Marley are all set to perform together during Kaya Fest 2019 for a historic moment in Miami's music history. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.